Hi, I'm Himani from WDI Hair Studio and welcome back to our video. So today again I have another wig for you. So I'm here with another product. So this is our fine membrane, like skin membrane wig, which has fine hair and it looks very natural. Like, look at it. Look at the scalp. So it is very natural. It is hand sewn on it, so it makes it look like कि आपके जो बाल हैं वो actually are growing out of the scalp. So it looks so natural that अगर आप इसको पहनेंगे it will take the shape of your head very easily. And इसमें आपको कोई भी problem नहीं आएगी. मतलब you can even go for a swimming in this one. You can go for running and you can even sleep in this. So it is very comfortable, and as you can see it is very adjustable as well. So you can adjust it according to your head size, and the mesh is also very comfortable, very soft. So look at how natural it looks. I'll also wear it and show you what it looks like on me. Other than that, it is like if you how you're supposed to take care of it. We always tell you in this every video कि wigs and extensions, अगर wigs को आप you're wearing every day, तो you have to wash it at least twice a month and at least once a month अगर आप इसको rarely भी पहन रहे हैं, and store it like very nicely, properly. And other than that you can get a haircut in this month. अगर आपको कोई short hair करवाना है, कुछ ऐसा अपने accordingly haircut चाहिए, इसमें you can get it customized according to you. We have three colors available in this: natural black, brown and gray. And length is like medium to long to you can get that customized as well. That's not an issue. And in case you want any updates, any updates or any queries you have, you can leave a comment down below. And अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में, इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट की सारी डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है, तो चेक दैट आउट. एंड अगर कुछ आपको और चेक करना है हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स कौन कौन से क्या क्या अवेलेबल है, तो हमारी वेबसाइट को यू कैन गो एंड चेक आउट. And we have the numbers on our screen, so you can also give us a call and book an appointment with us. So right now I'll just show you how I'm wearing it and what it looks like on me. So I'm not wearing it that properly कि आपको exactly idea लग पाएगा, but I'll just wear it and show it to you. So this is what it looks like. अभी अगर आप चाहें तो you can like just blow dry it and set it to your head size. को यहाँ से blow dry करेंगे तो it will like fit your head size. And yeah, I think it looks pretty nice, pretty comfortable. So if you have any doubts, any queries, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye bye.